Alright, so welcome to the mini-sized, capsule-sized video series for the Marketing Nerdz channel. And in this video, I am back with Sandhya and another important question, which is, hey Sandhya, where do I find out? That came out very funny, right? Hey Sandhya, where do I find out about new digital marketing job openings? So, your number one tip.
Number one tip is for you to go forth and submit your latest updated resume with the HR agencies.
Okay,
It
HR
helps,
agencies.
It helps. Yeah.
Yeah.
It helps.
That's awesome. Yeah, just Google HR agencies and go submit your updated resume. And my one tip would be go check out Facebook groups. Like we have a Facebook group for DM jobs, and there are a lot of other groups. So join the groups, and you'll be updated about latest job openings. And
I have
yeah.
a bonus tip.
Wow,
Second
bonus tip.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I've heard a lot about Indeed.
Right.
So Indeed.com. Go forth and register yourself there. It's free. And yeah, it'll help. You'll come back and thank me for that.
Yeah, I think we've hired for a lot of other posts from Indeed. So Indeed is a great platform.
We've hired, you know what? Video editors,
designers,
web
writers.
designers.
Yeah. So I think Indeed is a great platform. Create a profile on Indeed and you should find some great jobs there. Alright, so I hope this was helpful for you guys. I'll speak to you guys in the next video.
Subscribe.
Bye.